Hi, have you ever wondered what is the relationship between the US Fed's interest rate and your mortgage? Here's why you should care. The past few years have indicated changing property prices that have followed increased US Fed's rate, and as you may have guessed it not only affects US residents but also Singaporeans too. In Singapore, interest rates are closely related to whatever happens in global economics. This relationship exists because while most countries' interests are controlled by the central bank, in Singapore, this control is held by SIBOR, which is the Singapore Interbank Offered Rate in short, whose rates are tied to the world economy. Thus, it is safe to say that the US Fed's rates have a directly proportional relationship with SIBOR. So, is there anything you can do about it? Well, on the bright side, there are ways to prepare for such changes by understanding the dynamics. In fact, there are even ways to capitalize on it. Higher interest rates might result in a reduced demand as the population struggles to keep up with the financial strain. In the long run, this might pull down prices of houses as sellers might have to make adjustments to increase their chances of making a sale. Additionally, as fewer people might be able to afford a mortgage, fewer people will be leaving the renting pool. The higher demand for rental may drive rent inflation, which in turn pose as an excellent opportunity for investment property owners. As for those planning to buy a property, they might be thrown off balance by the new rates at first, which in turn will result in price reduction of houses. Hence, potential new homeowners should always search for fixed interest mortgages, opportunities which will bring predictability in such times. In conclusion, changes in the US Fed's interest rates affects mortgage interest in Singapore because it is determined by SIBOR, which is in turn tied to the global economy. Property owners must always keep an eye on interest rate movements in order to make reasonable moves early that will protect their investment and future needs. And of course, in order to ensure that you are always on the winning side of things, let the experts at Mortgage Hero help you plan out your property financing today. Here at Mortgage Hero, we only want the best for all homeowners. And that's because just like you, we are homeowners too. Speak soon!